Here, I have a Holly expert. Holly, come on.
Just because her name's Holly doesn't make her an expert, okay?
Hey.
If something doesn't catch on fire, I'll be disappointed.
Oh, well. Might be a little bit.
Jordan.
Oh. Oh, smooth move, Jeremy.
Did that fall down in the intake?
I got it right here.
Okay.
Went down to 2 barrels.
I'll just let it ride.
All right.
Yeah, let's go lower. Probably vibrate off.
Oh, it's fine.
2 barrels might suck all that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, she works.
Oh, yeah. There you go. Yeah.
What is that? Oh, that's a fuel line right there that's puking. It's spraying fuel all over the place.
Yeah, there. I see that.
Squirrel didn't say nothing about this, man. Who is this freaking guy?
Oh, the filters. Well, everything's leaking. He didn't say anything about the fuel line?
No.
That was the only problem with this thing.
Okay, well, let's get some hose, and then we need to stick one of these over here.
Dead gas. So she's probably got at least another 20, 30 horse in there. Right?
Man, you even talk like him. We're not having a title and a bill of sale is also a little bit sketchy.
Yeah, you definitely got taken. I don't trust this guy, Squirrel.
This thing really does have a nasty funk inside of it.
She's got 80 pounds of oil pressure, or the gauge is broken. 330,000 miles though.
Yeah, let it get some heat in it. We'll see if we can get this thing to go. It's got some major enrichment problems. Probably, maybe we should put that air filter back on there. Our map sensor's still unhooked, so it thinks it's WFO. That's wide freaking open. You know what I've always wanted to do? Like a rev limit neutral drop. Hell yes, dude. I want to try that.
It might not make it to the dyno.
All right, I don't think it's gonna work, but we're gonna try our best here, all right? So, I've never done this before, always wanted to do this before. I'm gonna go as high as I can on the rev limit and freaking throw it in gear. Wanted to do this forever.
You want me to spray it while you're doing that?
That was sick. Fuel, man.
I was going to check it to get more fuel.
I think if we have a battery, because the fuel pump is gonna supply the battery, or
Okay.
battery's gonna supply the fuel pump.
Get it back around. We'll just stand here like this while you're bogging it.
Hey, I got I have a fog machine. We could just fake it. It'll look like it's doing a sick, nasty burnout.
No, I really want to do this though.
We'll just
Go ahead, it'll probably start.
All right, here, let's get it. Here, let me.
Just get a fresh can.
Squirrel said you want to rub this off and make it last longer.
While you're flooring it, and then it's gonna. These are the best burnout vehicles to give a 16-year-old kid. Ask me how I know.
Leave it open. There's a fire.
I need your help.
That was impressive.
Dude, that's oh man, that's not oil down there, is it?
I don't even need to say anything.
Ready.
That didn't turn out. That was literally a wide open neutral drop. Completely soak it in brake clean here. It needs all the fuel it can get. Hey, we need Cooper's wet shot. Cooper, we legitimately need a wet shot.
We don't have enough nitrous for that.
No fuel, just spray fuel on the thing.
You're the best at this.
Here, let me see real quick.
Let me spray it while
This
you're
could
trying
be
to...
dangerous.
No, it's fine. Let me just spray it while you're trying to power brake. You're trying to make a nice backfire happen? No, you're trying to do a burnout. Okay. You gotta spray it in it. Did he let off the throttle? I don't know what he did.
Put the tips in.
Go ahead. Sounds good. Sounds really good. knocking so bad. It's like some of the worst spark knock I've ever heard. It's like,
All right, you ready?
can't kill him. Oh my god. I'm out. Oh my god. Hold on. Let's see if we can jump it.
Did she leave any marks?
Hey, yes, this is all around. It just turned to dust.
Hold it fast.
James, we're gonna have to stick in the hood while I jump it.
Stick your head out and then you gotta see where you're going.
Jump.
Go, go. We only got one. We only got one.
Bend the hood.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait. We found this. Where'd you find that?
That's the opposite.
Damn it, look what I found. Hold on. Oh, we're jumping it? Yeah. We only got that burnout real quick.
No, it just did a great one.
Yeah.
George was driving it and George killed it.
Oh, is Jeremy that couldn't do the burnout?
Jeremy
Might have been.
cannot
Go
burn out.
figure.
Let's go get this thing real quick.
Hold on. Try another standing.
He has to go around it.
No. Hey, run with it. Run with it.
Need the tire shop.
Hold on. You gotta jump it first. Don't load it.
She had the same thing
James
happen
has a
to me.
shooter to hold on the fuel
Where all of a sudden you're doing something normal and then 10 minutes later you're doing something completely obscene. Happens to me all the time.
Get it! Go, brother! Yeah, James!
The scooter was amazing on that.
Yeah. I think the scooter got more air than the truck did.
The scooter was sick.
We're gonna spray it, do a burnout. It has 0 enrichment whatsoever. So as you throttle it, there's like no fuel there. This thing's spark knocking so bad, it sounds like it's about to come apart. Yeah, we're just gonna finish her off. Done. That is how you do it. All right. Well done. Well done. All right. Thank you. That'll clean out the buildup carbon.
Squirrel couldn't have did better himself.
Carbon off the pistons. That's the upper end cleaner right there. You don't need your seafoam. You just brake clean the crap out of it. Okay. Does it sound all right? Yeah. She took a licking and kept on ticking.
Still in gear?
Yeah.
You just jumped out. Yeah. I'm the man.
Steering wheel in hand.
Secret to it.
Proud of you.
The secret to it was give it 5% throttle instead of actually trying to throttle it. Because it has no enrichment. I was like, I went in, it was like
Too much air.
yeah, it was like I had to give it 5% throttle, and then it started getting some wheel speed.
I respect it. I respect
Yeah, man. All right, well, yeah, we should put some fresh gas in it. We really should see what it's going to take to blow it up, because, I mean, this is not going to be our final power plant, obviously. I mean, we would not just buy this. So, again, our goal, we need to hit at least like 700 horsepower. I think maybe 8 would be really, really nice. Again, so guys, 5.3 liter L33 is what I'm looking at. We just were gifted a set of turbos from Alex over there in the Brandon area in their shop. They hooked us up with a bunch of parts.
I already have all my parts. All
Okay,
free
well,
charitable
we do not.
donations
We do
by
not.
good Samaritans of this United States of America we live in.
Well, that's good. That's
We'll just swap Ruby's power plant into there for a little while.
well. I mean, are you throwing the turbo in there or what?
I mean, I can bolt on Leroy's turbo kit.
Oh, this is
We can put like an
Shenanigans.
eBay turbo on it.
guys are a bunch of. That's fine. Okay, do that.
We could do the same exact setup with an eBay
VS
turbo and it'd be
Racing or
fine.
on 3.
That's what I just got. Was a set of VS Racing GT35s, basically. Okay, so yeah, let's do something. We'll have some sort of build off. In fact, there's another person that wants to be involved, and we'll see if he's going to be down for this. He wanted to have some sort of competition at LS Fest this upcoming, year. So guys, we need some creative ideas on how to blow this thing up. We got a couple of ideas up our sleeve, and we'll see if they actually work because this thing has no enrichment. We will need some sort of Cooper wet shot, or possibly
Need my dry shot?
might be a Laz wet shot here. We'll have to figure out. So if you want to be a good Samaritan and throw us some parts and try and make some sort of contribution to this build, you're more than welcome. We are open. Contact us and we will see what direction we're kind of going in. But again, 5.3 liter twin turbo, that's what we're going for, and we're going to make some big power. Thanks for watching. God bless. See you later.